Hello and welcome to the Tempnote YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Tempnote software. Open your web browser and visit our website at www.tempnote.com. Navigate to the Downloads section and click on the software download. Select Tempnote and your specific model, then click the Download button to begin the process. Go to your Downloads folder and extract the files from the zipped folder. Open the extracted folder and run the setup file to begin the installation. If a Windows protected your PC warning appears, click More Info and then select Run Anyway. Follow the installation prompts by clicking Next. Then Install. And finally, Finish to complete the setup. Once installed, locate the Tempnote shortcut on your desktop and open it to verify the software is working correctly. For more support, email us at tech@tempnote.com.